Jeremy, if I have a house that uses siding, maybe it's hardy plank siding or vinyl siding, it could be some kind of siding, tell me a few things as a homeowner that I should be aware of when I'm contracting someone to replace my windows.
My first question would be, are you taking my trim boards off? Are you going back with a nail flange? Or is all this staying there? I just want to know what kind of damage I'm going to have. Do I have to paint? All those kind of things.
So asking questions like, who's going to do what?
Right.
What needs to be done when you leave? Because sometimes people damage this stuff getting it out. It can be brittle, correct?
Yes, it does.
So that's not unexpected, but having an understanding of who's responsible if it does break is important. Okay, so they get the window out. What's the second thing I should be aware of and concerned with?
So on a siding house, usually the new window is, the depth is deeper. So we have to do a sheetrock cutback. So I would ask them about that, because you want the window to look about like this so it can be sealed.
It needs to sit where it used to sit. Sometimes people don't do that and it sticks out further, right?
And it'll just be unattractive.
Okay.
So I would want to make sure they know and they're talking about how they're going to do that.
Okay. And so once I get the window in, and is there any flashing in particular or anything I need to do for water leak prevention?
Yes, you want to find the drainage plane, and you want to restore what you've damaged, so that any leaks that get behind your siding, for example, if it gets behind there, it's staying in the drainage plane and draining like it should, and not going
instead of going into the house. Okay. And then what's the third pointer you would give someone who wants to replace their windows in a siding project?
I would make sure that we're using premium caulking here, and I would have them check around the trim, because usually siding guys don't do that because they're used to that nail flange window that doesn't let water into the house. So good premium quality caulking.
Okay, so we know that the window's going to expand and contract when the sun hits it. We know that the siding's going to expand and contract, and they're going to expand and contract at different rates. Having a good sealant that has a high level of elasticity to keep those two touching together for a long period of time is great. And you're saying, bonus tip, put some sealant while you're at it across the top, just to start diverting water before it even has to come into the flashing. 3 great tips for how to replace a window. Thank you, Jeremy.